can't make this up. I cannot make this up. This kid left his iPhone on the bottom of his car. Boost season.
Man, this is going. I'm passing this to my grandchildren.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. It's your boy, Skinny Penis, and I'm back. And today, we're at the Frederick Chop Shop, where they normally do here at this location some small detail work, things like that. Not the other Damascus location, but detail work, slight body work. But I just got off work, so don't really know what I'm doing here. But this kid said, "Oh, I'm gonna install an intercooler today," and then
Everything was
guess what? I gotta come out here. The main chop shop's gotta save the day because we don't know what the fuck we're doing out here. Not like we know what we're doing any other day, but
listen, everything was smooth sailing until we had to start drilling things, and then got a little out of hand. I started trying to be like a Nazi scientist.
This kid's got zip ties hanging all over the place. He's got half drilled holes. Don't really know what's going on over here. But look, today we are installing CTS Turbo front mount intercooler, baby, because it's boost season. Before we do anything, I have to find a pizza place to order from because I'm extremely hungry, and that's just kind of what it is. Okay. Other than that,
And I'm hoarding and I'm a man.
After 4 very confusing phone calls of being told to go to Grubhub, I go to Grubhub, nothing's there. Call the other one, nothing. They don't deliver this far out, which they deliver all the way to the road that connects to the road that I'm on. Then I'm just so confused. I'm over it. And we haven't even started this. And this is what I was saying to do. This is what we're gonna do to measure this up to make sure it's right. I was saying that what we do is we take a piece of tape, right? And we take the tape, we put it over the brackets, right? And I was saying we take a longer piece of tape because, you know, just to give us some, I don't know, maybe this is probably the best way to do it. But tape, poke hole, and then what we'll do is we'll take this piece of tape. Then we'll throw the piece of tape on here, and boom, we know where to drill the holes. I think it's a pretty spicy idea, but we'll somehow fuck it up somehow, some way. So if you're looking on how to figure out the best way to install this intercooler, these are probably some of the easier ways, but there's probably an easier way, but we're gonna do it a different way. So yeah. Okay, we got it figured out. That hole lines up perfectly. This one over here, we just have to move it over to the left a little bit, so it'll just be a bit of a bigger hole. Actually worked a lot better than both of us thought it would, and I didn't show you guys the system that he had, but it actually worked pretty well on lining up the holes. So now we're just gonna drill out these holes and pray to God that we don't hit the AC condenser. But on the bright side, I got my pizza. I ordered it, so it's on the way. So there's that.
Maybe when we're drilling it, I don't know if I can find a piece of plywood or something just to put there as a backstop. I found a piece. Oh, I can put one of these 2x4s under if one of us is drilling, the other one just hold it back. Because I don't really want to punch a hole through my AC condenser tonight.
I do. Don't have WD-40. This man gave me engine oil.
WD-40 is not good for it though. Because WD-40 is meant to evaporate.
Well, I'm not saying, well, not WD-40, PB Blast.
I got that too.
Oh, you do? Oh, well, about to light a fire in here, boy. Goggles, nothing.
You don't need that. Bro, you should have seen me putting my exhaust on it. With a fucking, what's that called? Like the little saw.
Oh, you got a cutoff wheel?
Yeah, a cutoff wheel. Cutting a pipe from AutoZone in my driveway with my bare hands. Bare hands and my glasses on. Like a fucking caveman like this. Just squatted over like. People are walking by, there's like sparks thrown down the driveway.
We'll get back to you guys either when this pizza gets here or when I drill a successful hole. Okay, update. Got the hole just a bit bigger, right? If it'll focus. Been balling with this drill bit. Now this drill bit has seen better days. It's been in there screaming. But this drill bit, you know, okay. All right, this one doesn't fit, but the other one, it fits. Now I think we should take the bash bar off or the crash bar off. It's 8 bolts, a horn bolt. No one wants to make this a one-day project. Now I think it can be a one-day project if we have the correct drill bits. You know, drill bits that'll drill through steel or whatever the hell this is made out of. Because we cut through mine like butter, but this is wild. So we're gonna go to Lowe's and try and find the magic drill bits. How you feeling, buddy?
Is that your pizza at the door?
Oh!
Christmas tree.
I just farted. Okay, so we went to Lowe's and we were sitting there debating on like what we should get, what would work, and we ended up getting a
Christmas tree.
So we're really hoping that this works because my drill bits have been screaming, so yeah. This is how you know in no way, shape, or form we're professionals. This is the best $42 we have ever spent in 2 seconds.
We've been drilling it. I've been drilling this for 4 hours. He's been over here for an hour or two trying to drill this fucking hole. And we got back from Lowe's, put the PV blast on it, 2 seconds.
2 seconds. That's kind of wild.
Need the wood, really.
So that's how you know we're not professionals. But hey, what we recommend, our professional recommendation is, hold on.
I'm telling my parents about this. This is the best $40 his family's ever spent. This is going. I'm passing this to my grandchildren.
Oh my god. So yeah, our professional recommendation is, oh my god, it stinks. Get a Christmas tree bit. For sure. Invest in one of those. Okay. We got it on there.
Like, we're just a couple of scientists. We'll tighten it up though.
Yeah, it's not tight, but
I think we're gonna see if we can push it up as much as we can just to make sure. Oh yeah, like that.
Yeah.
Just to make sure it clears the main.
Yeah. But yeah, so we're making progress. The only thing we have to pray about is that the car starts.
I think this is the smoothest install we've ever done. Like, I mean,
like a one day,
like one. Like usually it takes 1 trip to Lowe's, 3 trips to AutoZone.
This is true.
1 trip to Chick-fil-A.
We didn't have to go to Chick-fil-A today because we got the pizza delivered.
That's true.
But, so once we finish this, hopefully the car starts. And people would have thought it's a waste of time for me to bring my own toolbox. But look at this. Look at how efficient I am right now. Look at this cave.
Didn't I tell you to buy this tool?
Look at this caveman. Man was out here damn near clicking rocks together. And what did I do? Come out here with some bright ideas. Okay. Hypothetically, this car should start no problems. That's if we did everything correctly, which I think we did. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Let me just make sure that we I did tighten the ones at the bottom down first.
Oh my god. This kid got half-ass clamps on here. Yeah.
They're both on. Okay.
Those don't look tight. I can see it from here. Alright.
You ready?
We're gonna count down or? I mean, it's up to you, man. It's your car.
3, 2, 1.
Boom! It throws a rod. Yep. Feels like there's. Hey, hold on, buddy. Turn it off. There's a slight leak right here. Yeah, turn it off. Yeah, just like I said, this kid's like, don't over tighten it. It's gonna pop off, and I know for a fact you see it. Just now I moved my hand because it popped off. And see? This kid acts like I don't know things.
Okay.
All right, I tightened this one. It shouldn't go anywhere now, because you know. Yeah. Now I don't think it's going anywhere. And when I had my hand around this one, I didn't feel any air, but you know, just to be safe, we're gonna put this to KaRL tight, which is the shop standard for tightness on things, and that should be good now. No more leaks. Okay, don't get me wrong. The jack stand at my shop, yes, they're sketchy, but ramps are 10 times as sketchy. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this crack operation. Yeah, you're never gonna catch ramps at my chop shop, the OG chop shop, because hell no. But now we're gonna go for a ride, so yeah. Okay, now it's the first test. Oh my God, we're gonna die. This man's on stock tires. All right.
Doesn't sound like anything came off.
So we did all that just for that? That's it?
But look there, and then take air temps. It's so low now.
75 degrees. Still,
We just spun at 50. That's crazy.
still slow as hell.
You have your shit right now.
Yeah, we'll talk about my shit later. But yeah, all right, not a bad ride. We're gonna keep rocking this, and if anything blows up, we'll let you guys know. We haven't thrown a rod or anything like that, but yeah. I can't make this up. I cannot make this up. This kid left his iPhone on the bottom of his car. Look at this. Look at this. That's the phone, right? And then if we come back over here, hold on, watch this, watch this. Hold on. Oh. We're like all the way down here, and this is where he left his phone. So let's talk about it. Let's talk about it, kid.
Hey bro, we need more flashlights at the chop shop.
This kid has no type of flashlights in his own chop shop. I had to bring my own. This kid's screen is about to be rocked. I think today we can call this a successful one-day chop shop install. We haven't had one of those in God knows how long, but we got it. Intercooler didn't blow up, car didn't blow up, didn't throw a rod, huh?
Last time we got a one-day install done was my 370Z's exhaust. Remember when we did that?
Was it?
That was like the first time we did a chop shop. Me and you did a chop shop install together.
But what was after that?
After the 370?
Yeah.
We did bins, lights, that.
Yeah, that's a one day.
No, that ran over to another day. I had to fix the wiring, I think.
Oh. Well then, yeah, I guess so. Because then I think the next one was like my transmission.
Yeah, we
probably. That took
we tried to do
Connors.
I wasn't there for that, but.
No, you weren't there for that. But no, one day. Today, one day in the first time in a long time.
It's a 3-month project right now.
Yeah, we got an update video on that coming soon. But other than that, it's done. So hey, now you guys know how to install a CTS turbo intercooler. So that's good. But other than that,
easy.
Yeah, it wasn't actually that bad. Just make sure you have a Christmas tree bit. Other than that. But yeah, so if you guys enjoyed the video, you can follow me on Instagram at Kruddy_KaRL. You can follow that kid at Nismo with 3 E's, not 2. And other than that, that's pretty much it. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.
Hit that like button and subscribe. I'm out. Just like Randy Savage.